How did COMPAS algorithm show racial bias in AI risk assessment? Imagine a tool that helps decide whether someone should be released before trial or kept in jail. Now picture that this tool might treat people unfairly based on their race. That's what happened with the COMPAS algorithm. COMPAS stands for Correctional Offender Management, profiling 4 alternative sanctions. It's an AI system used to predict if a person might reoffend. Judges relied on it to make important decisions about bail and sentencing. But in 2016, an investigation by ProPublica revealed some troubling facts. The analysis showed that Black defendants were nearly twice as likely as white defendants to be labeled high risk even if they did not reoffend. This means the system was more often wrong when predicting Black people's future behavior. It also found that white defendants who did reoffend were more often labeled low risk, which was also inaccurate. Specifically, the error rates differed a lot. About 45% of Black defendants who did not reoffend were wrongly classified as high risk. For white defendants, only 23% were misclassified this way. On the other hand, white defendants who did reoffend were more often labeled low risk, with a false negative rate of 48%. Black defendants had a false negative rate of only 28%. This shows the algorithm was more likely to overpredict risk for Black defendants and underpredict for white defendants. The company behind COMPAS, called Northpoint, now Equivant, argued that the overall accuracy was similar for both groups. They claimed that the probability of reoffending given a high-risk score was about the same across races. But this defense misses an important point. It ignores the fact that the errors were different. Overpredicting risk can lead to longer jail time or higher bail for Black defendants. Underpredicting risk can let reoffenders go free, which might put the public at risk. These mistakes have real impacts on people's lives and fairness. From a legal and ethical view, this bias raises questions about fairness and discrimination. If AI tools like COMPAS are biased, they can worsen racial disparities in the justice system. Black defendants might face harsher treatment just because of flawed algorithms. That's a violation of the principle that everyone should be treated equally under the law. The case also highlights how difficult it is to check and regulate these AI systems. The algorithm's inner workings are often secret, making it hard for courts and regulators to see if it is fair. This has led to calls for more transparency, regular bias testing, and rules to ensure AI tools do not discriminate. To fix these issues, experts suggest doing bias audits on AI tools used in criminal justice. They also recommend combining AI with human judgment and developing laws that requiring clear explanations of how decisions are made. Including legal, technical, and ethical experts in oversight can help guide fair AI use. In short, the COMPAS algorithm showed racial bias by unfairly labeling Black defendants as high risk more often than white defendants. This caused unequal treatment and highlighted the need for better fairness checks, transparency, and accountability in AI systems used in justice.